Mechpro Blue Pressure Washers are perfect for cleaning cars, motorbikes, caravans, boats and four-wheel drives, plus areas around the home and garden, including patios, pathways, driveways and house facades. The Mechpro Blue 1800 watt pressure washer includes a powerful motor with 1950 psi maximum pressure and 7.5 litres per minute maximum flow rate. Featuring a quick connect variable pattern jet to spray nozzle and turbo rotary nozzle, this pressure washer also includes a convenient inbuilt detergent bottle ideal for cleaning vehicles, quality high pressure metal pump fitting, convenient onboard storage and 5-metre hose and electrical cord. The 1800 watt pressure washer also includes an extendable carry handle and durable wheels for easy manoeuvrability. Backed by a 1-year warranty, the Mechpro Blue 1800 watt pressure washer is ideal for the serious DIYer.